Welcome to Architect. How to add account on WhatsApp. You can use two numbers on same WhatsApp. Open the WhatsApp. Click on three vertical dots. Settings. Account. Add account. I have already registered WhatsApp and I want to add another number. Just click here. Add account. Now click here, agree and continue. Now I will enter my new number. Then click here, next. Confirm the number. It's correct. Click here, yes. Click here, continue. Allow. Allow. So it's already done. The verification has been done, and I can choose any name. I can replace this name. Click next. You can skip this option. So my new number already added. So how to find it? Click here, three vertical dots. Then switch account. Click here. So it's already switched to other accounts. So if you want to see both accounts in the same time, click here. Then settings. Then account. So even you can remove this account, you can delete this account. Anytime you can switch this account. Even you can click here, this small arrow. So you can find both number here. So you can choose which number you want to use.